Hello everyone, welcome to Aileen Bite Tips. Today we are making Korean style corn dog. This is a very popular street food in Korea and also very popular in the whole wide world. We used sausage and the mozzarella cheese stick to combine together, and the topping with the potato and sweet potato, and deep fried it. The taste is just so amazing, and the combination is super delicious. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, first step, let's wash potato and the sweet potato. Okay, and peel the potato. Okay, let's cut the potato into 1 centimeter cube. Okay, cut all the potato like this, and then let's cook it. Boil a pot of water, then add 1 teaspoon of salt. Let's cook the potato cube. Cover with the lid, cook for 3 minutes. Okay, after 3 minutes, drain the potato out. Let potato cool down. Okay, use the same pot of water and put the sweet potato cube inside. Cover the lid to cook 3 minutes. Okay, after 3 minutes, drain out the sweet potato. Okay, let all the potato cubes fully cool down. Okay, use the same pot of hot water to cook sausages. Okay, just cook 2 minutes. After boil for 2 minutes, take out the sausages. Okay, let's make the batter. 2 cups of all-purpose flour. And 3 tablespoons of sugar. Also 1 tablespoon of baking powder. And 1 teaspoon of salt. One cup of milk. Also another 3 tablespoons of milk. And then crack a whole egg. Okay, check if there's no egg shell and put it inside. Okay, mix. Okay, after mixing well, Let's put it in the refrigerator until we going to use it. Okay, let's prepare our half corn dog stick. Okay, cut the cheese string in half and measure it like this and use a stick. Okay, our first one is done. Let's continue. Okay, you can also use the full sausage or the whole cheese stick. Depends on how you like. Okay, after the potato cube is fully cooled down, put it on the plate and add some all-purpose flour. Toss it. Make sure each cube covered with the flour. Okay. Right now it's sweet potato. Also toss with all-purpose flour. That's it. Let's assemble it. Alright, let's assemble it. Dip the half sausage into the batter. Okay, you can use a knife or tool to gently even coat it. Okay, and put it into the potato cube. And then transfer it into the Panko breadcrumb. Put it, kind of press a little bit. Give it a gentle press. Alright. Okay, use a big wok and heat up 2/3 of the oil. Use a wooden stick. If you see the bubble is coming out from the bottom, it means the oil is pretty hot already. Now we can start frying it. Okay, let's put the corn dog inside. Okay, do not touch each other. So let's do 2 because my part is smaller. So fry it until it turns golden brown. So approximately 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, so fry it until it's golden brown. Then we can take it out. So it's about right. Okay. While it's hot, sprinkle some sugar. Turn the other side. Okay. Alright, so this is today's Korean style corn dog. It smells really good. The outside is really crunchy and inside is very cheesy. And the combination of the potato and sweet potato is just amazing. Make sure to try this recipe at home. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell. See you next time.